Muscle car time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop. Now you do notice this 350 emblem on that front fender. It actually has a big block underneath the hood. A little bit of a sleeper here. 454 power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 automatic transmission, be exact. Let you take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome on the bumper. As far as paint, there are some imperfections, maybe some touch-up spots. See a little previous work done before. So is the paint perfect? No, but does it show well? Have a nice luster? Yeah. One you can get in, drive, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, have a little fun with it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see it from every angle, undersides, interior engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Krager SS chrome wheels. Discs up front, so power disc brakes up front, and those are drilled and slotted rotors. Crushed velour, kind of black interior, charcoal, I guess, if you will. Quick silver B&M shifter on the floor there, the aftermarket retro sound style radio. And we'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. A few little spots kind of want to point out. Take a look at those door panels. A little bit of wear on the crushed velour on the driver's side here. All right, let me go ahead. Let's fire this up, let it warm up just a little bit. Let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Alright, so this is an aftermarket stereo. It is working. Hear that? I've also had the wipers working. Here's a little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Oil pressure, water temp. That was a cold start, so that's why I'm letting it warm up there a little bit. You know, it's got a cam, a little low angle to it. Let's check out the dash. And yes, matching headliner. You can kind of see that, a little tougher to see, but also the crushed velour. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. That'll turn some heads when they hear it rolling into a car show. A little rumble coming out of that big block. Alright, let's slip up front, pop this hood, let you check out the engine bay. So I'm going to pause it a second while I get this hood open. There's that big block, 454, ATI ignition, Edmund headers, wind intake. I believe it was a reinstalled intake. Slow rumble coming out of that V8. And again, that cowl intake hood. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. I'll take for a little drive. We got functional turn signal indicators. There are 2 gauges mounted under the dash, water and oil. Water is currently at about 170. Oil is at 50 psi. Radio works. It's a retro sound style radio. Blower fan functions. Wipers function. A slight wheel out of balance. Speedometer is steady, easy to drive. Only noise I hear is really the exhaust. This car has really good throttle response. Brakes work great.